Hey, welcome to Dow Stock Talk, where I talk about topics relating to investing in finance, but more specifically the stock market. In this video, I'll be going over how to make extra money using this website called Airtasker. But before we get started, make sure you smash the like button because it helps the YouTube algorithm, it helps YouTube know that this is quality content, and help my videos reach a broader audience. Also, if you're interested in finance and investing t-shirts, make sure you check out my store, Wall Street Stock Apparel, where I make custom finance and investing t-shirts. Now, normally, like I said, I go over, different types of investing platforms and different types of investment overall, but I also thought it was good to go over, and I took a poll one time of, do you want to see more videos of how to make money, how different ways to make extra money? And in order for you to invest money, you have to have excess cash. So I figured that, okay, well, since I go over all the different types of investments, let's also go over, different websites or platforms you can use to earn money. So according to this particular site, earn up to $2,500 a month on Airtasker. I'm going to pretty much go over it, but it's pretty much a site where people post tasks up and then you can end up performing them for a certain amount of money. And sometimes I've seen it range from $5, $10 to a couple $100 to even thousands of dollars. So I was like, okay, this would be a good way, a good platform to go over. So if anyone was looking to make extra cash, well, a couple hundred or 1,000, you can particularly check out this particular site. It's very easy to sign up. There's no particular fees. Now, I do think as far as the company, they take 20%. So whatever the person charges, they take 20% from that. But you don't have to pay any, anything up front to actually perform the task. The person that end up post the task, the fees come from there. So that's a good thing about it. It's super easy to particularly sign up. But yeah, like I said, that I figure that, hey, I should go over this particular website because you can earn extra money. Now, the thing about it is you can look at it from two different ways. One where you post a task and you post the amount of money that you're willing to pay for them to do the task. But since I have a finance channel, we're just going to focus on being an Airtasker, where you can actually make money from doing tasks. So I'm going to actually log in because I set up a account. It was pretty quickly, where as far as everything I set up and stuff, it didn't take much. They will ask for your name, your birth date, and of course you're gonna have to attach an account to it because they're gonna pay you through Airtasker. And I was like, oh, this is something pretty cool. As you can see, I made something pretty quickly to sign up. If you wanted to go for information, you would end up talking about you, your skills and stuff. I didn't actually fill that out, but I did take time to actually create an account. I literally just made this. I just literally just made this today. Alright, so now as you can see, it's a really simple user phase. Now the my task, this would be the main dashboard as far as the my task manager, and this is kind of what you would see as far as the earnings, your earnings away from. They have different types of badges. Each particular badge, there's the service fee becomes, as far as the amount that they would take out, will be lower. You have the payment history and things of that nature. But let's jump into when you want to look browse tasks. And by the way, they'll have it where they actually do it by your location, so you would know. But as far as the tasks that they cover, you can look at the categories. They have all types of one, as far as painting, computers, beauty services, labor, mentoring, teachers, car wash, building, all kinds of method, crafting, pest control, packing, unpacking, copywriting, data entry and processing, piano removers, picture framing. It's have all types of tasks, drones, driving instructors. So you can actually look at this, as in various particular ways. Because, and also, if you have a particular business, maybe you have a painting business or a cleaning business, you can actually probably get clients off of here. So just to kind of, give you guys, to help you kind of think outside of the box. But you can just I'm just going to kind of go over, it's a pretty good amount of stuff. And as you can see, this is just the one that popped up 30 minutes away. You can have it on in-person, remote, or all. I probably would have it on all, honestly, for obvious reason. But you can also have it on remote as well. So you have both of those options. And by the way, that's just, you can control by the top. I'll just have them on all. And we'll just look at some of them. This one is customer service needed, $1,800. Of course, we were going to click on that and see. And they, by the way, they give you the descriptions of what they particularly need, and what you would just end up doing. If you had any questions or you wanted to share something, you can, type, I can do this job, blah blah blah. Let's just, so you can just see, this is not what you would put, but I'm just doing it for video purposes. I can do it, no problem, something like that. And then you can post it. Yeah, and then you can also make an offer. So you can make an offer, I can do this job, blah blah blah. This one, or as far as the service fee, they take that out automatically, but this is how much you would receive. So it's a pretty straightforward process. Or you could just go offer, you could either, well, post this one. For this particular video, we're just kind of focusing on being able to perform the task to earn income. Then you can just hit make an offer, and then it would just go next. Why are you the best person for the task? You type in what you want to do, tell a little bit about yourself, what skills you have, but it says don't share your email or phone number, and then you end up hitting next and hit submit. And that's what, and if they think you're the best person, you'll get the job, and then after you complete it, they'll end up sending you the money. But let's look at other opportunities of here. They have the tent rings ripped. So they have, I need the holes that, they need some type of holes or something for a tent. They have a company needs to be painted. And by the way, they have different genres. Virtual assistant, $700. Need someone who's internet savvy, $100. Data entry, $2,100. So especially if you're looking for like a side gig or extra cash, you can find a lot of jobs, especially if you're good. And they have even a PDF converter, document screenshot, copyright. So if you got like some decent skill, even a project management, 1,007. Of course, you would have to click on it and look at the particular details of it. And you can see how many offers they have as well. So there's a couple ways that you can kind of, by the way, make sure you guys hit that like button. There's a couple ways you can kind of go about it. You can sort things from recommended. You can sort things from lowest to highest. So on the lowest side, we have like $5 ones. Some of these might be simple. Copy and paste. You can look at many items to be sold, align head, writing tutor. So they have different type of ones as far as, and you can kind of browse these for tasks that could be super easy or super efficient. And then you can also go by looking at the highest, which is the highest, that's $10,000 for this one. Now, of course, for the higher end, this says help with small business startup fund, 27 offers, and this is a big amount. $5,000 is pretty decent. So these are the higher ones that you can see. As we can also see, we can see the newest one. Sometimes if you don't want a lot of people to had already proposed an offer, if you filter through the newest ones, you can probably be one of the first people to offer that you can do the task. You can do the ones closest to me as far as radius and things of that nature. This one is just pulling up weeds and discarding, $125 there. So they got like I said, all different types. You can also search by category. the task manager, and you can filter available tasks only, tasks. Here's another good feature you could probably use: tasks with no offers only. So that particular one you can kind of show there. So these are all the ones that has no offers, just in case you don't want to kind of compete with other people. But like I said, they have it where you can show you the location and everything you need to know about that. I think it's a good opportunity where you can, especially if you're trying to make extra cash, a couple hundred or maybe even 1,000, doing these particular tasks, especially if you have some type of skill, you know how to put things together, fix things, do things, cut the grass, maybe even a professional typer, data entry. So this is an opportunity where you can earn extra cash. And even if you have a business, and you can potentially pick up clients, so maybe you do a task for them on Airtasker, be like, hey, we have other services. You give them your website, or you give them your business card. It's so many different avenues that you can actually do with this. But I just definitely wanted to go over, because I know I took a poll one time and they were saying, okay, how, if you have any videos of how different ways to make money online, or can you do a video on it. So as I come across, sometimes I will admit it's kind of hard to find, I think, ways to make money online that the average person can do, that doesn't require tons and tons and tons of work ahead of time before you actually see it. But so if I see things and I feel like it'll be worth it, I'll kind of do a video on it, because sometimes, a lot of times, you'll see stuff and you can earn money, but it's like $1 or $2 here, and it's not necessarily worth it, or the setup process is super difficult. But like I said, this one seems to be straightforward. I mean, also, if you want a little bit more ambitious, you could actually post tasks and have other people do it, but it actually be for your business. So if you want to sub out some of your work, you can have other people do it on Tasker, so that can kind of help you get things done without actually formally hiring people. So it's different ways that you can look about it or go about it. But I believe I covered everything that I wanted to. Let me make sure. Filters, notifications. Yeah, I think I covered everything that I wanted to with this particular site. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button. If you're new, subscribe to my channel. I'm out.